Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and that all work is saved. Disabling a GPU can affect displays. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter so you're in the right console. Next, expand Display Adapters and identify the NVIDIA device by model name. This prevents disabling the wrong adapter if you have integrated graphics. Make sure to note the model and driver version shown under Properties, because you'll need that for undoing changes or troubleshooting later. You now disable the card. Right-click the NVIDIA device and choose Disable Device, then Confirm. Do this while watching the screen. You may see a brief flicker or mode change because Windows hands-off display to integrated graphics. If multiple GPUs are present, switch Device Manager to Devices by Connection to ensure you target the correct hardware path. Once disabled, Windows will mark it with a down arrow icon. Remember that drivers remain installed, so you can re-enable without reinstalling if needed. Finish by rebooting so Windows fully applies the change, and you can verify display settings and performance in Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display. If you need the GPU back, return to Device Manager, right-click the disabled NVIDIA device, and choose Enable Device. If the screen goes black or system is unstable, reboot to safe mode or connect an external monitor. From there, you can undo the disable or roll back drivers. One quick troubleshooting tip: if you lose control, boot to safe mode to re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.